Today, I'm going to teach you how to group controls in Microsoft Access. This is a really useful feature when you're working with reports because it allows you to manipulate multiple fields at once, keeping your layout organized and consistent. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the grouping process. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so just give it a second to fully load before proceeding. Now, to group controls in Microsoft Access, you'll need to open an initial database table. Once that table is open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where your tools are located. Look for the Create tab and click on it. Under the Create tab, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Report option. Go ahead and click on Report. This will generate a new report based on the table you have open, which serves as the foundation for grouping your controls. Once the report is generated, you'll need to switch to the Report Design view to access the grouping functionality. To do this, click on the Home tab at the top of your screen. You'll see a View option there, so click on it, and an expanded menu will appear. From these options, select Design View. This view gives you full control over the structure and layout of your report, which is exactly what you need for grouping controls. Now that you're in Design View, here's where the grouping actually happens. To group control, simply hold down your Shift key and click on every field you wish to group together. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple fields at once, so take your time and click on each one you want to include. Once you have all your desired fields selected, navigate to the Arrange tab located at the top part of your screen. From here, look for the Size/Space drop-down menu. Click on it, and under the Grouping section, you'll see an option labeled Group. Click on Group, and your selected controls will now be grouped together as a single unit. And that's it. You've successfully grouped controls in Microsoft Access, making it easier to move, resize, or format multiple fields at once. This simple technique can save you a lot of time when designing complex reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.